Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming you still control the email or phone number linked to your Roblox account. That access is essential because it's how Roblox verifies you. Once done, open the Roblox sign-in page and choose Forgot Password. This starts the official recovery flow. Make sure to use the device and browser where you can receive email or SMS codes, because those codes prove ownership. Do not rely on untrusted apps or instructions that promise shortcuts. After requesting a reset, check your email inbox and spam folder or your phone for the SMS code. These messages contain the only legitimate paths to change your password. Once you open the reset link or enter the code, create a new password. Pick something long, unique, and not used elsewhere, because reuse increases risk. Make sure to type it carefully and confirm it twice. If you can, use a reputable password manager to store the new password securely. Complete the process by signing in with your new password and enabling two-step verification to add a second layer of protection. This prevents others from using only a password. Once enabled, review connected devices and log out of anything unfamiliar. If you can't receive reset emails or SMS, collect proof of ownership, purchase receipts, account creation details, and contact Roblox support directly, because only official support can help.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.